How to change YouTube to dark mode on iPhone. Tired of bright screens while watching YouTube at night? Switching to dark mode can reduce eye strain and give your app a sleek new look. In this guide, I'll show you how to change YouTube to dark mode on your iPhone in just few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, launch your YouTube app. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to the U page given at the bottom right corner. Once you're on this page, at the top right corner, you're gonna find the settings icon. Click on it. The fun options will appear. Head over to the option of General. Now click on the option of Appearance. Now from here you can easily change your YouTube theme to the dark mode. All you have to do is check in for the option of dark theme. And just with that, the appearance for YouTube will be updated. You will now enjoy a darker, more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low light environments. If you prefer YouTube to match your iPhone's overall theme settings, you can select Use Device Theme. This option will automatically switch YouTube to dark or light mode based on your iPhone appearance settings. And that's how you can change YouTube to dark mode on your iPhone. This simple switch makes your viewing experience easier on the eyes and gives the app a sleek, modern look. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.